In this tutorial, we're going to cover a technique called flange, and basically it's where you have a surface that is perpendicular to another surface, and this is a technique that may be useful as you start to develop more complicated designs. So let's go ahead and start a new part. I'm going to use the metric units here. Right. Start my sketch and choose the XY plane. And let's go ahead and grab a rectangle using the 2-point function. And it's okay. And then dimension your rectangle. The width, we'll make this 89 millimeters. Front. And then the length, we'll make this 140. Okay. Let's go ahead and make this symmetric about the origin. Use the vertical constraint. Yep. And then the horizontal constraint. Oops. Go here first. Then here. All right. Click OK. Finish the sketch. Now let's extrude our sketch to 13 millimeters. And then let's go ahead and orient your view cube to the bottom, and make sure that bottom is upside down, right? Just as you see here. And then on the surface, start a new sketch. And again, grab the rectangle, the 2-point feature. And when you start your rectangle, you want to start at the origin. In other words, the lower left-hand corner of the cube that you've previously drew. Left click. And then make sure that it's the same length as the cube that you drew before. So 140. And then we can go up. Let's just go up about 76 here. And then click OK. And then we'll dimension this side here to 127. Okay. All right. So now you see that we have a surface that is perpendicular to the surface here. Go ahead and finish the sketch. Now let's go to extrude again. And this time we want to click this this top surface here, this top area here. Left click, and notice that it is it's extruding away from our part. And so to fix that, we want to change the direction, and so now it's going toward the part. Then click OK. And so now you see you have two surfaces that are perpendicular to each other. And next we want to look for, let's go to the top side. Make sure this is right side up. Make sure this is correct. Yep. Make sure this is right side up. And then on this piece here, all right, if it's put it at an angle, you can see that I'm on the top surface of this part here. Go ahead and start a new sketch. All right. Grab another rectangle, 2-point, and this time start your point at the origin. Again, you can tell when you're at the origin because your dot is green. Left click and make sure it's the same width, and then 140. All right. Then grab your dimension tool. All right, and we want to make this go down 89 millimeters. Let's finish the sketch. And let's go ahead and do this. All right, so you can see now this surface is perpendicular to this surface. And then we'll use extrude. And let's go ahead and I'm going to click this region here. And again, you notice that usually by default, when you extrude, it extrudes away from uh, an existing surface. So we just go up here and change the direction and make sure that's 13. All right. And so now you have a flange. Okay, and so many parts that you design have perpendicular surfaces, and this is just want to make this quick tutorial just to show you how to efficiently create surfaces that are perpendicular to each other.